Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to download Instagram Reels using the new download option. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you enjoying watching Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels has been the preferred content by Instagram users since it is a short form video. It's compatible with people who are browsing social media to learn more content. People nowadays are looking for short but educational videos. People are enjoying browsing Reels as more content creators are sharing short and entertaining videos that they are interested in viewing. The only way to get back to watching those Reels again is to save them on the app. You can save it in your collections. It is now possible for Instagram users to download Instagram Reels. Instagram users will be able to download Reels and save them to their camera roll. This feature is only available to US-based Instagram users. If the feature is available in your Instagram mobile app, you have to set your Reels to be downloadable by users. You can find it by going to your Instagram account and tap on this icon and choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Sharing and Remixes. It's located under the section How Others Can Interact with You. The feature of enabling your Reels to be downloadable should be visible here. If it's not available on your Instagram app yet, you won't see it here. If your account is not yet showing the download feature on Reels yet, there's another option on how to download Reels that you like to save on your mobile device. You can use another app to download Reels. If you are using an Android device, you can download the app called Video Downloader for Instagram on your Play Store. Install it on your mobile device and set it up first. Then go to your Instagram account, access Reels, then choose a reel to download using the third-party app. Tap on the share icon. From the pop-up window, tap on the icon Copy Link. Then open the video downloader for the Instagram app. Now paste the link in this text field. Then tap on the download button. Doing this will allow you to save your favorite Reels on your mobile device even when you are offline. Another way to download Reels is to use Save Insta. Select an Instagram Reel that you want to download, then tap on this icon and look for the option Copy Link. Now open your Chrome browser and search for Save Insta. Open the URL link, then paste the link of the reel in this text field. Now tap on the download button. It will redirect you to this page where you can choose to download the video or download with Save Insta app. You can try and choose Download Video. Now open your gallery and you can view the downloaded reel here. Once the feature is available on your Instagram app, you can view the download icon beside the copy link icon. Here's a sample preview of the downloaded reel showing the watermark of Instagram, and below it, it shows the username of the reel's owner. So this video cannot be used by anyone and claim ownership to this reel. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages, we have a marketing app that can help you get more replies, conversions, and sales from every message you send. It's called Selli. You can personalize image messages for LinkedIn prospecting and personalize image messages for Facebook marketing. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories, and search engines. Create a prospect list of your best customers. Next, collect contact data for your reach out. Choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and market. Then send your message. Reach out and start turning leads into customers. So try Selli now. Go to the URL getselli.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.